White City, proving ground for Australia's Davis Cup prospects, where this year 1,500 youngsters compete for junior championship honours. On tournaments such as these rest our tennis hopes for tomorrow. Right here in 1949, a star was born. Yes, it's Ken Rosewall, and the other famous tennis twin, Len Hoad, both products of this world-famous competition. Today, these lads are overseas in quest of the Davis Cup. This year, the New South Wales Association is spending £1,000 in the search for young talent. Could be in 1960, we'll hear more of youngsters like Whatman and Wakefield, junior doubles champs of 1955.